Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to living my solo van life. Today for me, I am super excited. I cannot believe I am so excited because if you do follow my channel, then you know I do have a lot of Victron gear in the back, all supplied by 12 Volt Planet. They are the sponsors of this video. And the reason why I'm excited, because I've got so many upgrades. So I am going to do an unboxing video and show you guys what I've been sent. So I'll spin the camera around because I can't wait. So here you go. So down here I've got two big boxes. This big box and this slightly smaller big box. So let me grab a knife and show you what we got. Now I expect this is all going to fall out. I can't believe this because, and I'll tell you the reasons why behind. So we've got some 2-cord cable here. We have got quite a lot of 50 mil. Oh shit, that is heavy. Quite a lot of 50 mil cable. Down there, and got a new controller for an inverter. More about that in a second. What's in this box? Let's have a look what's in this box. Ah yes, this is very important. So obviously that's Victron, put them there. Right, and this is where it might become a little bit clearer. So here have 2 consumer units. Now I'll go into more detail about these later on, but if you are going to fit an inverter in your camper van, RV, motorhome or whatever, you need consumer units either side of the inverter. So one to protect all the wiring coming in and one to protect all the wiring going out. So hence the reason why you need 2 consumer units. Now these are, if I'm right in thinking, RCD MCBs. So we'll quickly have a quick look at one. Okay, they do come open that way. So, oh wow. Okay, so we've got 2 consumer units. Right. Okay. Now get rid of that box. And we've got a packet of lugs. So all the cabling, 2 consumer units, a new digital multi-control for this little bad boy in here. And this is a VE bus smart dongle. And we're going to need this to plug into a MacBook so we can program the inverter. So put that to one side. Drum roll. I can't wait. Let's open this up. Like everything, 12 Volt Planet absolutely pack these so well so they get to you in perfect condition. here we have a 3000 watt, 12 volt, 120 amp, 230 volt Multiplus 2. Multiplus 2. This is going to be a game changer, because at the moment in the back of the van I have got two IP22s. So they obviously charge at 30 amps each, so they charge at 60 amps. Now the batteries that I've got, which are both Fogstar, they are connected in parallel with a total ampage of 858, I think it is, 858. So to charge both batteries up with a 60 amp charger plugged into the mains if required, it's going to take some time if they're both flat. So anyway, this Multiplus 2 gets away from the IP22s because it has a built-in 120 amp charger. That is a game changer. And if you go back to my last video where I parked at Tesco's using Horizon app and use a pod charging cable adapter from Oak EV, which was supplied by Magnum Motorhomes, I'll leave all the links in the description. This is going to charge up twice as fast. So that means instead of being there like a couple of hours or 3 hours, 4 hours, if it's 2 hours there, you only need to be there an hour. So you only have to pay for 1 hour parking. As I said in that video, me and Rob from Pack the Van and Go both did it, and we went late at night. I stayed there overnight with the Horizon app, so I paid for all night parking. And I did say at the time that I didn't get charged. Now, I recently gone back on the app and I have got charged. So £3.50 for parking between 7 o'clock at night till 11 o'clock in the morning was £3.50, and I got charged £7. Is it £7? No, £6.29, sorry, for charging my batteries up. So that's under a tenner. I know Tesco's isn't the most glamorous, but it's all above board, hunky-dory. I parked there for a tenner, fantastic night's sleep, woke up in the morning, fully charged van. Happy days. Anyway, let's get this bad boy open. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. So let's just gently cut there. And there, it has got staples in it. Not gonna do the knife any good. Oh. Right. Oh. Whoa, that's a size, isn't it? That is some size. There's all the gumph and our temperature sensor. So there you go, Multiplus 2, 230 volt. Right, I'm going to be looking forward to getting that in. Okay, before anybody asks, what am I going to be doing with my old 3 kVA inverter? Now, I met up with a school headmaster and explained to him that 12 Up Planet kindly sent me a 3 kVA inverter, and they are sending me a newer 3 kVA inverter which is built-in charging, both for 120 amps and also to charge up the vehicle battery, so I can get rid of both IP22s and a Sterling charger, battery maintainer. So it should, in theory, take a lot of wiring away. Now, anyway, back to this, because this is really important to me. I know a lot of YouTubers, they get given stuff and they sell it when they don't need it anymore. I have decided that I am going to give a Renogy battery that I got hold of and all the cabling and the inverter with an MPPT and a solar panel out of my box of tricks, and I'm giving that to the local school because, as I said, I could have sold it, but that's not me. I don't do that sort of thing because I didn't pay for it. I don't really think I should profit from it, and the headmaster of the school thinks it's an absolutely amazing idea, so it can teach kids about solar, wiring, cabling. So with the amazing help and support from 12 Up Planet, the inverter is going to go to a school. It's going to teach kids all about solar and wiring and how you can live and get energy off grid. And I think that's an amazing idea. I really, really do. So in the future, there's going to be younger people, hopefully, learning about off-grid sustainability, powering a harness from the sun, converting that into usable power with an inverter and a battery. Anyway, so the unboxing video is done. All I've got to do now is take everything out the back of the van and replace it with this. But I'm going to leave that for another video because I just wanted to share this exciting news with you. And to be fair, last weekend me and Rob met up and we had a lengthy discussion, drew some diagrams in this little Victron book, and he has got some super exciting news. So I'll leave a link into Rob's channel. You must have seen him. I've been in his videos, he's in mine. We're great mates. Anyway, he has got some super exciting news to tell you guys. So I wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody who subscribed. Oh, excuse me. And everybody that has become a member. If you want to become a member, it's only 99p. You get extra content and I'll get you personal videos and stuff like that. So happy days. Anyway, don't forget to click and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, be nice, be kind, happy days. Peace out everybody.